Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In 2024, living room wall decor trends are all about blending aesthetics with functionality, creating spaces that are not only beautiful but also reflect personal style and provide a sense of comfort. Here are some of the top ideas to help you transform your living room walls into a stylish haven. Wallpapers are making a significant comeback in 2024, but with a twist. Bold, geometric patterns, large floral prints, and textured designs are in vogue. These wallpapers can serve as a stunning focal point in your living room. Consider an accent wall with a dramatic wallpaper to add depth and interest to your space. Bringing the outside in is a theme that resonates strongly this year. Incorporate natural elements such as wood, stone, and plants into your wall decor. Wooden wall panels, stone cladding, and vertical gardens are excellent choices. These elements not only add texture but also create a calming, earthy atmosphere. Functional yet stylish, minimalist shelving is perfect for modern living rooms. Floating shelves with sleek designs can hold books, small plants, and decorative items. In 2024, the emphasis is on clean lines and uncluttered spaces. Use shelves to display a curated selection of items that speak to your personal taste. Lighting is a crucial element in wall decoration. In 2024, innovative lighting solutions like LED strips, wall-mounted fixtures, and art lights are being used to highlight wall decor. Use lighting to accentuate your favorite artworks or to create a mood with ambient light. Smart lighting systems that can change colors and intensity are also popular for creating different atmospheres. Mirrors are timeless in decor, but in 2024, they are used more creatively. Oversized mirrors, mirror clusters, and mirrors with decorative frames can make your living room look larger and more luminous. Positioning mirrors strategically to reflect natural light can enhance the brightness of your space. Texture is a vital component in modern decor. From Venetian plaster to 3D wall panels, textured walls add depth and sophistication. Experiment with materials like concrete, brick, or even fabric-covered panels to create a tactile experience. Murals are a fantastic way to make a statement. Whether you opt for a hand-painted mural or a large-scale wall decal, the key is to choose a design that resonates with your style. Nature-inspired scenes, abstract art, and cityscapes are popular choices for modern living rooms. Color blocking involves using contrasting colors in blocks or sections on the wall. This trend can add a dynamic and modern touch to your living room. You can opt for bold, bright colors for a playful look or subtle shades for a more sophisticated vibe. Combining different media in wall art creates a unique and eclectic look. Think of pieces that mix wood, metal, glass, and fabric. These mixed media artworks add a rich, layered look to your walls and can be tailored to match your living room's theme and color scheme. While clocks are functional, they can also be striking decor pieces. Large, decorative wall clocks are making a comeback as statement pieces. Choose designs that complement your living room's aesthetic, whether it's industrial, vintage, or contemporary. With smart homes becoming more prevalent, integrating technology into your wall decor is a forward-thinking trend. Smart frames that display digital art, televisions that blend seamlessly into the wall, and sound panels disguised as decor pieces are some of the ways technology can enhance your living room's style and functionality. By embracing these modern living room wall decorating ideas for 2024, you can transform your space into a stylish, functional, and personalized retreat. The key is to mix and match these trends to create a living room that reflects your unique taste and meets your lifestyle needs. Whether you prefer bold statements or subtle enhancements, there is something in these trends to inspire everyone. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!